Thank you for watching this lecture. Let's explore very recently released ChatGPT's feature called Memory. So once you are in chatgpt.com or chat.openai.com, what do you... Right, it knows this information about me already. Now let me add one more point before I show you from where all this is coming. I like black color, please remember this. You see what's happening here? It is updating the memory. Sometimes it picks up on its own. If you want a specific instruction to be remembered, you can explicitly say, okay, please remember these or please add it to your memory. Now, if I go back to the other window of the same chatgpt.com, if I ask, it should pull me that third point as well here. It's kind of storing this information somewhere kind of permanently. So if you want to see that, let's go to settings under personalization. You see this toggle memory on or off option. Go to manage here. This is where it keeps track of whatever you asked it to remember or whatever it thinks like an instruction to be saved in memory for future usage. So one thing to note here is deleting the chat history won't remove the memory. For example, if I go ahead here and clear all the chat history, you won't see anything on the left side once the chats are deleted. But what we asked is, what can you tell about me? It is still going to respond to this with the same 3 memory inputs it already has. So this is what I meant by clearing the chats does not clear your memory here. To do that explicitly, you just have to clear ChatGPT's memory. Of course, if you don't want, just turn it off. It makes sense, it is still picking it up from the chat history. So let me open a new chat here. Now it says I don't have any information. This is, in my opinion, a very cool feature, as long as you are not sharing too much of a personal information that ChatGPT to remember, and there is no way anybody has access to that kind of a privacy information. Thank you for watching.